Watch
Everyone.
me introduce
My name
myself
is
to my
Charlie.
online class.
As I said before, I'm from England originally. I grew up in a city called Bath. I then moved to Bristol to study history.
Can you guess the level?
Really good memories of Bristol. After Bristol, I went to teach abroad. So the first place I went to was Thailand. I was in Thailand for a year and a half. Where I started teaching English. Then I moved to Korea, South Korea, not North Korea. After Korea, I moved to the UK, back to the UK, to do my formal
Write your
teacher
answer in the
training as an
comments.
English teacher. And I remember I had my qualifications, I was living in Bath, and I had a friend in a place called Cadiz, and I'd never heard of Cadiz before. My friend from university, he was working in Cadiz as an archaeological diver. He has a very interesting job, much more interesting than my job. After 1 year in Cadiz, I met my partner. I decided to stay. And so right now I work as a director of studies in a language school here in Spain. It's actually, the name of the school is CLIC Cadiz. In my free time, I run a YouTube channel called Charlie's Lessons. So I make videos for teachers who want to learn about, well, a lot of different things really.